Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Afrocare Princess, and today I just want to do a very easy and messy protective hairstyle. Like, it's not a style where you can think of going to a party with, but it's an everyday hairstyle. So I'm just stretching my hair by combing it, putting some gel. In short, the rest of the video is self-explanatory, so see you when it's necessary.
Didn't want to let you go, cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy, so tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level, cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go, cause we wanted different.
So I use kenakelon hair because no matter how messy it is, it doesn't really show. Like, if you use expression hair or the very silky hair, any mistake you make will show, like, disgrace you anywhere. But with this one, even if you don't know how to cornrow or braid, it just it blends in with type 4 hair so well. That's why I chose this. So I just attached it like you saw, divided my hair into 3 and then braided down, and that's it, guys. And any flyaway you have on top of your hair, like you see right now, it's not smooth, but don't worry about that. Just put gel when you're done, tie it down. When it's dry, you'll be good to go. So that's how it's looking, guys. Like I said, it's not like for going to a party with, and don't worry about the whiteness, it went away. Right now my hair is not 100% dry, but I had to show you before I go out of the door. So when it got dry, that whiteness disappeared, and yeah, it's just looking like that. I think it's okay. It's okay. It's not 10 on 10, but it's okay. It's rockable, and I think I hope this video helps someone. So you can pin down any flyaway like I'm doing right now in a pretty way. When I cut my hair, it gives me these flyaways whenever I put it in ponytail these days, but I always just accessorize like this, and that save life.
Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy, so tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he...
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. But before I leave, I just wanted to say, if you do a terrible job behind there, you can always use something like this to mask it, and nobody's gonna know. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.